This video will be coming to you in two parts. Part 1 will be about peroxasomes, and Part 2 will be about mitochondria and what happens when mitochondria do not work properly. The peroxasomes contain catalase. Catalase is an enzyme which breaks down hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is dangerous to a cell. If the cell does not get rid of the hydrogen peroxide, then the hydrogen peroxide will bond to the aminos of the amino acids in a protein. If this happens, the proteins will therefore become denatured and will no longer be useful to the cell. So if peroxasomes did not exist, there would be a lack of protection for the cell, and if this happened, the cell would die. Part 2. Mitochondria. There are several things that can happen to mitochondria. Mitochondria can have DNA that does not work properly, and so therefore the mitochondria do not perform their job of creating ATP. If this happens, this is bad for the cell, because 90% of the energy that is created in a cell is created in mitochondria. If the mitochondria do not work properly and do not make this energy, then there will be cells that will die due to the lack of energy. This can cause major problems in organs such as the brain, the liver, the kidneys, etc. These can cause major problems with mental stability and with learning. It can also cause problems in the liver. If the liver does not have the proper energy that it needs, the liver will no longer be able to filter things out of the blood, and if this happens, the blood will become toxic. If the blood becomes toxic, then it is therefore going to be useless and could cause serious injuries to people. It could even cause death.